Welcome to the Smarter Money Life, hosted by Andy Mattingly, featured guest on IndyNowTV's Smart Money Minute, frequent financial expert for local news, and Smarter Money Life contributor at Forum Credit Union. Helping members live their financial dreams is at the core of what we do. Understanding how your decisions and habits impact your life is key to reaching those dreams. It's great to be back with you. I'm Andy Mattingly, and today our topic is about borrowing, specifically some different types of credit and why it matters what you choose. Now, we're all going to use loans and credit cards throughout our lifetime. It's part of our financial journey, especially if we want to accomplish many of our other life goals. The most important part is making sure you're using the proper credit for the proper reason. And because if you use the wrong type of loan, it can cause some significant financial setbacks. So let's talk about some of the different types of credit that's out there. A new one is the buy now, pay later. Now, I'm not saying not to use those, but you should only use them when you're wanting to solve some very short-term cash flow management issues, especially when handling unexpected expenses. A credit card. Now, if you're making purchases, it's great to get fraud protection. And if you're going to pay it off in 6 months or less, this is a great thing to do. Now, a personal loan is something that some people may not know much about, but it's when you apply, you should use it for things like major car repairs. Maybe you need some furniture or some minor home improvements. Look for a term in that, 1 to 3 to 4 years. Probably going to get a pretty good rate, pretty good payment. You can handle that. If you have major home improvements, then think about a home equity loan. This is a great way to use the equity in your home. If you're a homeowner, you're going to have a longer repayment term, and it's going to make sure you can keep going with all the other things that you need every month. Now, of course, a mortgage loan is great for when buying a home, or some of you may be able to buy a second home. So a mortgage loan is great there. But also remember, a mortgage loan might be great if you have some major home improvements that you want to do and you want to do a cash out refinance and put it all in there. It's going to be the lowest rate and the longest term that you can get, which is really going to help your cash flow. Now, just remember, don't use loans for the wrong purposes. So don't use buy now, pay later for everyday expenses like groceries, things like that. If you're not careful, you can end up with several small loans and be in a financial crisis. Don't use a credit card to finance vacations, especially if you're going to take 12 to 24 months to pay that off. It's going to be a lot more expensive because credit card rates are always the highest. Don't use a signature loan for consolidation when you have equity in your home. Home equity loans have lower rates and better terms that can help your cash flow situation. And finally, don't use a home equity loan if you have the opportunity to get a mortgage cash out refinance because those rates are lower and have better terms. So remember, proper use of credit can be a way to achieve your financial goals. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit the Smarter Money Life page at forumcu.com, subscribe to the Forum Credit Union YouTube channel, and look for the Smarter Money Life podcast wherever you get your podcasts. Remember, today you have the opportunity to build the tomorrow of your dreams. Until next time.